Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on Kali Linux 2024. Open terminal. First verify whether we have Jenkins comes as a pre-installed software or not on Kali Linux. Jenkins -- version. It is type of. See, Jenkins command not found. Control L. Now open Firefox or any web browser. Then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter, then click on download or documentation and installing Jenkins. Then click on Linux. Then see here Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions, Debian or Ubuntu. Okay, go to the terminal, but see here we don't have the Kali Linux. Go to terminal more /etc os-release. Hit enter. Its ID like Debian. Okay, so we can install Jenkins on Kali Linux also. Control L. See, minimal hardware requirements are 256 MB of RAM or 1 GB of drive space, and recommended hardware configuration for small team is 4 GB of RAM or 50 GB plus of drive space. Okay, and software requirements are we must have Java. So, okay, go to click on Java requirements. See, this is supported Java version is this one for these long-term supported for respective long-term supported versions. Okay, first verify whether we have Java or not. Java -- version. See, we have Java OpenJDK 21 on Kali Linux 2024. Okay, Control A. So prerequisite match. Now go back. Click on Debian or Ubuntu. See, these are the commands that needs to be installed. So see, this is the long-term support release and this is the weekly support release. So copy up to this null. See, this entire 5 lines is a single command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. See, updation is completed. Control A. Now install the Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 2.479. This is the latest LTS version. Okay, we can also verify. Go to jenkins.io, click on here, click on download. See, the latest stable LTS version is 2.47.9.2. Okay, it is also going to install the same version. We have successfully installed. Control L. Verify the version. Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.479. Control A. Now check the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service loaded but not started. So let us start it. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins service is active running, but still it is disabled. And also notice here, this is the initial password. Copy it, paste it in any text editor. I have installed Sublime Text Editor. You can install Sublime Text Editor by going to my channel. You can search for how to install Sublime Text Editor on Kali Linux. Paste that password here. You have to quit. Now enable the Jenkins service on Kali Linux 2024. Sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. You can also get the password by going to variable folder. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, now verify the status. See, Jenkins service is started and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now go to web browser, new tab, view localhost port number 8080, hit enter. See, we can get the initial admin password by going to this file, copy it, or this one, both are same. Okay, more slash sudo more, paste that file. See, this and this both are same. Copy either of them, copy it, then paste it and click on continue to unlock the Jenkins. Now customize the Jenkins. So here we have two options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. It is up to you. I am going to install the suggested plugins. So click on install suggested plugins. See, now we have to create the first admin user. So I am giving user name as Jenkins administrator, Jenkins admin, and provide the password for this user. Confirm the same, then give the full name. I don't know whether this exists or not, just I am giving this, but in your case give your own. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Then click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See, here we have the dashboard, new item, build history, manage Jenkins or my use, build queue, and build executor status, create a job, set up an agent, and different options. Okay, now click on manage Jenkins. See, here we have the system configuration, security, status information, and troubleshooting sections. See here, if you want to add plugins, click on here. If you want to add nodes, click on here. And if you want to create users, you have to click on users. And credentials, providers, credentials options are there. So click on plugins, available plugins. See, you can search for the plugins and you can install plugins. See, these are the plugins, those are already installed. Okay, if you want to go back, go to manage Jenkins, users. See, this is the user that we have created. Click on it, appearance and etc. options are there. Security, current. If you want to change the password of this Jenkins admin, you have to use the password. Then confirm the same. Then you have to click on save. See, it is saved. So again we have to log in, Jenkins admin. Then give the same. Then click on sign in. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay, if you want to go back. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is go to terminal, Control-A. Now check whether that file is there or not. See, that file is not there. Okay, so we have to remember the password whatever we have set for this Jenkins administrator. Now sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is running, but if you stop it, this won't work. So let us stop it. Replace the status with stop. Hit enter. It is stopped. Now reload this page. See, unable to connect. So if you want to connect Jenkins service must be running. So start it again. Systemctl start Jenkins. Hit enter. Reload. Still, yeah, it is started. So wait a moment. Reload again. See, again Jenkins admin. Hit enter. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay, and also verify the status. See, we have started Jenkins 22 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. That's it. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Kali Linux 2024. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.